This video is just to show you a few other additional things you can do with some of your tables. First off, I've set up a few more tables in the database. There is order line, game, and customer. Let's have a look at game. So I'll set this up in there. Now, first of all, currency. In the field definitions, in the designs for the table, if I look at game, it actually shows that sales price and purchase price are single. Now that is what you would do in Visual Basic. In Access, what you do is you can actually set them up as a currency field. So purchase price, I've selected currency in the drop down, and then if I go down to the properties where it says format, I can actually choose and make it with the pound sign and the commas and the decimals. So do that with any of your currency fields to make sure they look right. A couple other things I want to show you. He said, thinking I've forgotten. Okay, keys. I said before that every table, if we look at customer for example, the customer number's got the key symbol, game's got a key. Now there is an additional if you need to make what's called a composite key, two fields to be the primary key, then you have to do something a little bit different. And I'm going to do this on this table called order line. So I've clicked on order line. I'm going to go to design view. If it comes up, order line, where are you? And go to design view. And let me just unclick that for a moment. What it starts off as, and what you've probably got it as at the moment, is it says order number is the primary key. But if you actually look at the design for the tables, this order line has got two primary key fields. It's got order number and game ID. I'll explain in a later video why, but what I want to do is make these two fields, order number and game ID, the primary key. What you have to do is hold down your control key, click on one, click on both. So now I've highlighted both the fields. I'm going to click on primary key now with the control field head down. Now the key symbols against both. So now a unique record in the order line table will consist of the order number and the game ID together. Okay, that's about it. That's a few extras to add there. So think about currency and data types, and think about making on this game table to make sure that you've got a primary key that consists of two fields. It's called a composite key. It's composed of two fields. Okay.